Hey, what's going on, guys? Danny here with you. Going to do a quick update on Shiba Inu. And as always, this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. All right, so in the previous video, we were talking about how we were over here. We were currently riding this trend line, and we did have a small chance of breaking down here. I personally thought that I personally hoped we would just ride this trend line out and then get a breakout. Of course, that did not happen. We did have a very short-term correction right here. As you can see, we did meet our first target around the 54.34 area. Luckily, we did not come down and hit our second or third target, so that was a good sign. And as you see, we did form a W pattern right here, which is a bullish sign. And we did break right above here, currently right around, we are currently around the 57.36 area. Actually, breaking out right now is a little bit higher, but 58.61. We did break above this blue trend line, which is our old previous descending triangle. Let's look short term and see where we could be heading. And of course, I did draw a trend line right here. So if we came from this low point right here and come all the way up here, you can see we have formed a trend line. Let's pull up the Fibonacci retracement and see where we can be heading. All right, so this is very short term. I'm going to come from our swing high that we had up here and bring it down to our swing low. All right, so somewhere around there. All right, so currently we are right here at our 0.5 Fibonacci level. That is at the 58.91 area. It looks like we actually might be breaking through it right now. Our next level after that we'll be looking at is the 0.618. That is right here. And that is at the 60.40, right about the 60.44 area. Right, and potentially we could actually hit the 0.618 again. That is a 60.44 area. That would actually put us right above this descent, or right above our trend line right there, which is a very, very strong trend line. We'll have to wait and see if we do maybe bounce off here and come back down. We'll see. Well, of course, if we do come back down, I believe we should be hitting this trend line and bouncing back up. We'll see how that does play out, though. I'll make a tweet later if we do start breaking through here. But again, we are still very bullish right here. Of course, if we don't break through this trend line right here, I think we will consolidate through here and eventually break out through here. Let's go over here to our RSIs and see how we are looking. All right, so currently our RSI is right around the overbought territory, right around the 70 area right now. Our stochastic is all the way up here, so I do believe more than likely we'll be coming back down if we don't break through this trend line and get rejected off of it. I think we'll be heading back down just for a short-term correction. And over here on our hourly chart, all right, our hourly is right around the 61 area. We do have a little bit more before we are in the overbought territory. Our stochastic is coming back up as well. So, of course, again, if we don't break through this, I think we will possibly get rejected and head back down to our trend line. All right, and over here on our 4-hourly chart, our 4-hourly, our RSI is right around the 50 area. The stochastic is coming back up, so we have all this room right here to go with. So next 4 hours, we are looking really good, or on the 4-hourly chart, we're looking good. All right, over here on our daily chart, our RSI is right around the 56 area. Let me delete this right here. And of course, our stochastic is still pointing upward. It has a little bit of hook right here to the downside. So very short term, we could come back down for a small correction. But over again, next couple of days, we are looking very, very bullish. So I think we will be getting our bull run here very shortly. And head back over to our 15-minute chart. All right. All right, so we are continuing to break to the upside. Again, we'll see how this does play out. I'm not sure if we have enough steam at the moment to actually break through this trend line. We could get rejected again and bounce off here and come back down and get a retest and hopefully head back up to the upside. We'll see how it does play out, though. We are very close to breaking this trend line, though. So short term, I am a little bit bearish. Again, we could actually break right through this trend line with no problem. We'll see how it does play out, but long term, I am very bullish. I think we'll be getting our bull run very shortly. Again, make sure you do go over to my Twitter. You can find me over at follow me over at Only Crypto Cycle. I will be making posts throughout the day when I can't get on here and make a video. But again, that is at Only Crypto Cycle. And I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I will see you guys in the next video. All right, thanks. Take care.